Hello, fourth graders. It's Mrs. Duffy here. I decided to go ahead and put my picture on here just so you could maybe link a face with a voice. So this week we are going to be doing the next lesson in code.org called Functions with Harvester. And Functions with Harvester is a continuation of the functions lessons that you've been doing over the last few weeks. The lessons I feel are really getting harder, more challenging, but really putting our brains to to work, which is okay. Just want to point out to you again, the video at the beginning of each one of these lessons are super important, and this one was very helpful for me. I even watched the video 2 times in order to get through the lessons, so that's just me. I want to point out something to you. I'm just clicking back onto the last lesson that we did with Minecraft, and when you look at functions with Harvester, you'll notice that your toolbox looks a little different. So last week with Minecraft and all the other ones, the blocks are right here. To they're all the blocks that you'll need are listed right here. Of course, this is the first one, so there's not very many blocks to see. But when we get over to the harvester, you will see that the toolbox, like I said, looks different. And instead of seeing all the blocks that you will need, you'll actually see the categories of blocks. So here we have actions, loops, conditionals, functions, and comments. And you will be using all of these throughout the course of this lesson here. So when you click on the blocks, or the category of blocks rather, you're going to see all the blocks that you need. So they are all there. Like I said, this lesson was particularly confusing for me. I'm not quite sure why, other than you have different crops that you are going to harvest. So crops are corn, pumpkin, and lettuce, and harvest just means to pick them. So maybe it was because there's different crops along the path, and maybe I wasn't using the correct blocks. I don't really know. I'm willing to admit why that it was difficult for me. So just work hard at it, and your brains are younger than mine, so maybe you're being a little more successful at this. So as I've said the last couple of videos that I've created, if you are having any questions, please reach out to your virtual teacher, and your virtual teacher can reach out to me. And we only have a few more lessons left. So if you are stuck on any of them, make sure you're going back to finish them up. We should get through this entire program before June 8th, which is our last day of school. So I hope you are enjoying code.org and have a great rest of your week.